Hello, curious minds. Today, let's take a super sluapao stroll through the treetops and meet one of nature's chillest animals. Say hello to the sloth. Fun fact. 1. Sloths are the slowest mammals in the world. They move so slowly algae grows on their fur. Yes, they carry their own mini garden. Fun fact 2. Sloths sleep for about 15 to 20 hours a day. That's like a cozy all-day nap. They're true sleep champions of the jungle. Fun fact 3. They spend almost their entire lives hanging upside down in trees. Even when they eat, sleep, or have babies, it's all upside down. Fun fact 4. Sloths only go to the bathroom once a week, and they climb down the tree just to do it. It's a big event. Fun fact 5. They eat leaves. Lots of them, but it takes a month to digest a single meal. That's slower than slow motion. Bonus fact. There are 2 types of sloths. 2-toed sloths with bigger eyes and lighter fur. 3-toed sloths with a cute permanent smile. Sloths may be slow, but they teach us to relax, enjoy life, and take it easy. Thanks for hanging out with us today on Think and Tell. See you next time. Slowly but surely.